Hey guys, today we're gonna make sesame broccoli, a Japanese side dish, which actually is perfect with teriyaki chicken, which I actually made earlier. So if you want to see that video, click on the link here to see how we make chicken teriyaki. So let's do this.
Have some good food, plant-based. Welcome to VeganAsian.
So we have a lot of ingredients. Actually, it's really simple to make this. You need obviously broccoli. So this is 2 lumps of broccoli, some soy sauce, about half a cup, some sesame oil. This is about 2 tablespoons, and then some toasted sesame seeds, which I actually toasted earlier today. How do you do this? You simply put it on a pan. Don't use any oil because the oil in the sesame will then escape the sesame seeds, and that's how you get a nice toasty fragrant sesame seed. Right, so I have a pan up in here which we're gonna steam the broccolis in. So as you can see, the broccoli is right in there. Put the lid on, make sure it is nice and steamy because we still want that little crunch on the broccoli. You don't want it to be smushy. So give that a couple of minutes, I'd say about 2-3 minutes, so it still has a nice bite. And in the meantime, we're gonna make the rub that we're gonna put over the broccoli. How do we do this? It's really easy. The toasted sesame seeds, put in here, the sesame oil as well, and the soy sauce. And simply bash it all out. So it's gonna be a little paste which we're gonna rub over the broccoli, and that's actually the entire flavor of the sesame broccoli. We can add some salt and pepper as well, but you can also add this later on the broccoli itself. Up to you, either in the rub or on the broccoli. All right, so as you can see, it looks a bit watery still. However, when the broccoli is done and you're rubbing this little mixture on it, it will soak up all of that juices. All right, so the broccoli has been steaming for about 2-3 minutes. As you can see, it's a little nice green color. So now we're quickly gonna put this in a little ice bed, which is simply cold water and some ice, so it will retain the color, otherwise it will turn brown. You don't want that on your... So it also stops it from overcooking. So the next step that we're gonna do, we have the beautiful rub, we have our broccoli. I got a big bowl. What do? I put them in the big bowl, mix everything together, and give it a little toss with my hands. That's why I'm wearing the gloves. But important lesson to do here is to make sure that the broccoli is not too wet. So if you have a piece of broccoli like this, squeeze out the extra water and then put it in my big bowl. All right, so this is the broccoli. I got my little rub. So simply put the rub in the broccoli and then mix it all together. All of that nice broccoli. Use your hands. The best tool that you have is your hands. As you can see, there's sesame seeds everywhere, which is great. Every bite has a bit of sesame. And there you have it. This is sesame broccoli. You can eat it lukewarm like it is now, but you can also eat it cold. It doesn't really matter. Same flavor, same taste. Enjoy.